You guys, welcome back to another video. Yesterday I did not record because I took the whole day to do individual braids, and the only thing I did was some Bible study. I am finishing reading the Bible this month, so I'm really excited about that. And so I took the time to do my hair, study, did some uploads, but other than that, I didn't cook, I didn't clean. So things are piling up. They're piling up really fast, and so I have 2.5 hours until I get my daughter. So I'm gonna go ahead, clean this room, clean up whatever is messed up. I'm not gonna do anything perfect. As you can see, when I did the laundry, I just wanted to put things in place. I didn't take the time to fold up everything. What was most important to me is that I hang up the clothes that needs to be hung up, and also fold the towels, because that's something we use every single day. We do not use the same towel every single day, so laundry is like important every single day.